Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and I don't know if you saw my ribs and mac and cheese dip video for my dart night, but I've had a lot of comments about the cheese dip that I made, and it was a new cheese dip that I did. So today's video, I'm just going to go back over it again, how I made it, and we'll do another taste test. But I got to tell you, if you make this and you change it up, let me know. I know a lot of people can't get green chilies. If you can get poblano chilies, or, I mean, you can put anything in it you want as far as peppers. You can add regular corn instead of cream corn. The cream corn I use just to make it more creamy, more liquidy, so you could dip any chip in it. Also, that helped was that bag of green chilies. There was liquid in that green chili, probably at least a quarter cup, maybe a half a cup. I think a quarter cup of liquid in that green chili. So when it was done, it wasn't like this thick, gooey, too heavy for a potato chip kind of a dip, and everybody really loved it. The only thing else I would probably add to it is, you could use some seasoning, some hot seasoning, some Cajun spice, red chili spice, tahini, something like that you could add to it and really kind of make it more of a, kind of like a street corn kind of a dip. But the way I made it, it was extra delicious. I'm sure I'll be tweaking it, but anyway, here it is. Check this out. Okay, so for my cheese dip, I'm going to do, I'm going to put in 2 blocks of cream cheese. I'm just going to put them in like that. Okay. You can use equal amounts, or I'm using a 14.75 can of sweet cream corn. You can use regular corn. I thought some cream corn would be nice, make the dip a little saucier. We've got hatch green chilies here. We can get them in all kinds of different packaging. They come in little freezer bags. I'm going to put a whole bag of green chili in there. Why? Because we like green chili. All right. Also going to put got some cream, sour cream. I think there's about maybe half a cup left in here. So we're going to just squeeze this all in there. I believe it's about a half cup. If not, well, it is what it is. All right. And then I have 1 pound of freshly grated pepper jack cheese. Some of this green chili still a little bit frozen. Move that around a little bit. All right, 1 pound of pepper jack cheese. Okay, and that's just going to go in the smoker like that. After about 30 minutes, hour, we'll go out and give it some cheese dip I'm testing out. Should take right around 2 hours. So we'll check back, or I'll check back on these in an hour. Cheese dip, cream cheese and the pepper jack cheese and the corn, sour cream. It's coming along nice. I think that right there is going to be pretty tasty. Got another hour to go. All right, this cheese dip. Yeah, look at that. That is ready. Take this off, and we'll give this a taste. So, I hope you give this a try. I still had a little bit left just so I could do a taste test for this video with potato chips, Ruffles style. I mean, you could even just use regular potato chips. Yes. Definitely good with regular potato chips. Corn chips, probably the favorite. Okay. Cheese dip, a different kind. I made other types. This type right here, so good. If you're smoking ribs or a brisket or something that's taking a while, you got people over waiting for the food, make sure you make some cheese dip and chips let them have them, let them nibble on them while they're waiting for your ribs or whatever you're smoking. You could do this in the oven, but you miss out on all that smoky flavor goodness. All right, thanks for watching. Again, if you've already seen the original cheese dip, I did show how to make it in that video, but here it is again. Give it a try. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know how you tweaked it. And then I hope you have a great